Yes.
Hey, Jitendra, what are you doing? You are drinking.
Yes, I'm drinking, sir.
But why? Why are you drinking?
Because as you know that today is the festival of Durga Puja.
So what?
So,
You
sir,
should not drink wine. Don't you know drinking wine is harmful for our health?
Sir, already I know, but drink is harmful for all us. But
no matter whether it is festival or something else, you should not drink wine like this because alcohol or wine is very harmful to the health, right? You should not drink
sir,
wine.
listen to me. But sometimes we should, sir, drink
Sometimes,
wine
but why? Why sometimes?
for enjoying, sir.
For enjoy what? Can't we enjoy without drinking?
No, sir, you can't be.
How can you say that we can't enjoy without drinking?
Sir, all people take enjoy by wine.
You are thinking wrong. Your thinking is absolutely wrong. It is not so that we can enjoy only
no, sir,
after drinking.
Me, you are speaking wrong, sir.
Try to understand, brother. I am your friend. That's why I'm
sir,
suggesting.
Already I make you understand, sir.
Listen to me first. I'm your friend. That's why I'm advising you not to drink because drinking is very harmful to health. Right?
So already I know about injurious for health. Yes?
Yeah. Okay.
But for enjoying, you can sometimes you can drink.
In spite of drinking wine, alcohol, you should drink milk, juice. This can be fruitful to your health, right? But you should stop.
I don't drink, sir. This I don't add this. I don't drink this.
No, I am
sometimes.
I think you are addicted to it. You are drinking alcohol. You are consuming alcohol like this. I can't believe. Oh my God! How could you drink like this? You are my friend and a drunkard. No, I can't have friendship with you. I'll break my friendship with you, bro.
Oh.
You'll have to promise to me if you want to be my friend forever.
I'm not
if you listen to me first.
I promise you, sir.
If you want to be my friend forever, then stop drinking. Just throw it. And
okay, sir.
Yes.
But sir, this is not good for health. And
yes.
So, even now, I shouldn't drink this wine.
Yeah. Okay.
Because this wine is very dangerous and very injurious for health.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Now you have understood. Okay, please give me it. Today, please give me it.
You suggest me
it's not good
about this wine.
Yeah.
So never I can't.
Don't try to. Don't try to drink it. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are making some a short clip of this. We are trying to give you all message that drinking wine is very harmful to our health. We should not drink wine like this because regular drinking wine can be injurious to your health and it can result into your death. So that's what we have wanted to give you all through this video. Thank you very much for watching it.
So listen to me. I don't know about wine, but my friend suggested me about wine. Never I can't. I drink because I don't know about.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. That's good.